Today we're making corn tortillas. And first we need a roller and masa and a bowl and 1 cup and a wooden or metal mixing spoon and water. Our main ingredient today is masa corn flour. We're making 19 tortillas and you need 2 cups of masa and 1.5 cups of water. I wonder how many tortillas is going to make with this so bad. That's more than tortilla chips. I'm going to pour 1.5 cups of water. Ball. And you can make it big or small. If you do a big one, then it makes the tortilla big. And then after you make it, the balls, then you have to take a roller, or you can do a tortilla flattener. Now it's time to roll them out. Done. It's thick. So on my daddy's taco, I'm gonna add steak, sour cream, and salad.
More steak and more sour cream? What is that, for ants?
It's pretty.
So this is my daddy's taco. So it has steak, sour cream, and salad in it. Here, Daddy.
Thank you.
That's how I make tortillas. Thanks for watching.